This is an overpriced piece of, well, it's good and bad. It's good because you can put in extra filtration media in the cylindrical filter. It's bad in the form of the electronics. This sensor is the same sensor, I think, as like in a $100 air filter. You can't change the settings of what it's displaying, and I just don't think it's very good. So I know this because I have this $200 AQI sensor here, and it doesn't show the same readings as that machine. I mean, it's showing 0 right now because this filter does do a good job, but it's reading 8. So anyways, I got this because I didn't know if I would even be able to buy this. They're all in high demand right now because of so much air pollution. You saw me put it together. I think this sensor might be even better though, or at least the electronics of it. Let's see. So you can actually, touch these are touch capacitive. Leave it at auto. There's a sleep mode. You can totally blast up the speed or whatnot. Right. Anyways, go back to auto. You'll figure it out. But what I'm liking is how this thing tells me PM 2.5 readings of 26. The volatile organic compounds, 143 or something. Right? So it's telling me two different things. The physical particle size, and then any extra gases and stuff like that. And it doesn't hurt that it tells me what the temperature is and what the humidity is, so that's nice. And then this is telling me what speed it is. So this thing is cleaning 150 cubic meters per hour. So this is a far better display of the air condition going on in this particular room compared to this thing, which costs a lot more. This thing was like 43,000 baht. This is 30,000 baht, but I actually got it because it's like a refurbished unit, so I got it for a good deal. The only problem with this, you can't add the extra carbon media because these are plate filters, They're like, you just don't have space to put in extra elements. As you may have seen, there's a sponge here. You can put in some aromatic oils there if you want. And that's about it, I guess. Shimono. So, yeah, I can turn the light off, but it's still probably on. Yeah. There's some sort of lock button. There's a timer. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe that's a UV thing? I'm not sure. I didn't actually pay attention to the manual. But if you rewind, you can. There's some sort of sleep mode, the fan setting. So that's, I guess, maximum mode, that little icon there. And now you can see this thing is now cranking, oh, it's not even done, 800 cubic meters per hour. So the fan, it's kind of hard to see. I tried to show it, but it's one of these radial fans where the axis is this way. There's a big metal drum with slats in it, and it's spinning. Or if you ever look into a wall air conditioner, same thing. So that's how this particular type of filter is working. I guess that's it. This thing takes AAAs, and so I guess this is my backup. I'm not sure. I mean, if you're going for a smaller size and you don't intend to add extra carbon media, this is a great one, I think. It's cheaper, and it's probably better because the display is better, and it cranks 800 cubic meters. This one does the job, but I think this is somewhere in the 760 cubic meter range. But look at the size of it. This is kind of like a piece of furniture, It's nicely styled and all that, but it costs more. And the display or the electronics are horrible. This thing doesn't even have a remote control. How can you have something that costs that much money without a remote control? I'm mentally challenged. Okay, anyways, that's it. So I'll leave a description, or I don't know if you're going to even find this if you don't live in Southeast Asia. So, but if you do, hopefully this will help you decide on which of these two you might want to purchase. All right, we'll see you around.